Welcome back to Add Art, or should I say Add Art? Because today we're going to be drawing a pirate, which was suggested by a lad called Jack. Now, before we start, just a quick reminder to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be the first to know when I've uploaded a new drawing. So grab your pens and paper, me Add Arties, and let's set sail. Okay, first we'll start with the pirate's head, down to the chin and up. Then we'll put his eyes in, greedily looking down at something. His nose. Start putting his mouth in. Seems pleased with something. And a beard. Nothing as terrifying as Blackbeard's beard, which apparently used to set alight. Okay, have it clasped with a pearl. Put his ear in. Put this other ear in. We'll just stop there and put a earring in, a gold earring. Apparently that was enough gold to bury the pirate. Eyebrows, I'll give him a bandana. If I am going a little fast, remember you can always pause the video, catch up, and then hit play. Okay, let's put his piratey hat in. Got quite a wide brim, a large front to it. Curve that round the back. That. We'll put in skull and crossbones. This symbol is also known as the Jolly Roger. Apparently not all pirates had this symbol, some had different ones. Blackbeard had a skull with horns. Okay, let's put his neck in. Start of his shirt, but we'll put a big leather coat on him. Keep the stormy seas off. Quite flared cuffs on it. Okay, that comes up. Huge lapels. Give him some frilly shirt cuffs there. Put his hand in, clutching something. Seems a bit ragged edged. It's his treasure map. I'll have it curling up at the bottom, so just curve that round. Pull that just beyond the edge, and then curve it back up, and it looks as though it curls up then. You can put the island he stood on the map with X marks the spot and the route you have to take. Let's finish off his jacket now that's in place. Finish his shirt. Start putting his hair in. Quite straggly and matted from days at sea. Put a feather in there. Parrot feather in this side as well. Bring this arm down. Another flared cuff on that. Put some gold buttons on it. this hand. We can have him clutching a cutlass. Which is a type of sword. Put cross guard on. Detail on the handle. Let's put this blade in. Bring it up and then curved round. Put some dents in it, almost as though it's seen a bit of action and adventure. Okay. Need some legs to keep him up now. We'll have this one bent as though he stood on something, which we'll reveal soon. We'll bring this left leg down all the way to the ground. You need some big piratey boots. Some huge turnovers on them. There's his toe facing us. Put the sole of the boot in. Copy the boot on this side, but it's resting on something he's looking down at. Again, put the sole in, maybe a bit of a heel. Give him a piratey belt, again, solid gold. His coat flowing down like a cape here. Curve that back up. And we'll have it just rising behind him. There we go. Put in the treasure chest. He's followed the map. X definitely marked the spot. He's discovered this chest of gold coins and diamonds. Some wood detail on the side here. Okay. Bring the lid round here. Let's put some detail on the actual hoard here. Some coins. So full they've scattered around the edge here. Diamonds. No wonder he looks so pleased with himself. Okay, let's put the island on which he found it. I'll start with a palm tree. So with these palm leaves, I'm kind of curving them and on occasion putting these little nicks in. Two coconuts. We'll have another leaf coming up and round the back here. Again, just putting these kind of triangular cuts into the leaves. Have the central line running down the middle. Another one reaching towards us. Let's put the trunk in. I'm doing these in almost sections. As you can see, I'm kind of curving them out, then up and round, and down the other side. Just building it in these separate pieces. And let's have it buried in the sand here. Spade in next that are used to dig up the treasure. The hole from where it came. That must have originally had an X on it. The edges, I'm just coming down to give a sense of depth. Then we'll put the mound of sand that's come from within it. The edge of the island. Bring the island round here. Maybe it's protected by all kinds of creatures. The tentacle of an octopus reaching out here. Maybe a shark, just a fin. Swimming around in the distance. Now let's put his galleon in. Put this piece at the back where he would stand, commanding all his shipmates. A number of masts. The central one in first. Little sail at the top. The flag fluttering in the breeze there. Put a bigger sail hoisted. Just behind. Sail here. We put a crow's nest on top where someone can stand and look out for enemies. More at the front, some smaller sails on it. And let's put some ropes attaching the masts to different parts of the boat. You could actually put some rigging for the pirates to climb up as well. It's almost like cargo netting. Wheel in there. Okay, let's put some detail in the sand, make it look a bit more grainy. Some detail in the sea. horizon of the sea, continuing along the back here. A shadow coming from the spade, from the pirate. And there we have it. There is our pirate. I hope you enjoyed drawing along with that one, Captain Jack. Now, before I go, do remember to check out my other videos and to subscribe. And if you've enjoyed drawing this, please do give me a thumbs up like, as it really helps my channel grow and for other people to see Add Art. And finally, if you know someone who loves to draw, then please do share Add Art with them. But that's it for today, and I'll see you next time on Add Art. Bye for now.